好，难，好. To be a state verb, it means good. 难, to be a state verb, means difficult. And when we locate 好难 in front of perception verbs as adverbial prefixes, it means you get some feeling from eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or skin. And if the feeling is positive feeling, we use 好 in front of perception verb. If the feeling is negative feeling, we use 难 in front of perception verb. For example, 这家餐厅的牛肉面很好吃，我常吃。吃 it. You get some taste from your tongue. And if you like the taste, it is 好吃. Tasty, delicious. If you don't like the taste, it is 难吃. 喝 you drink and get taste from your tongue. If you like the taste, 好喝. If you don't like the taste, 难喝. 这杯茶有点难喝，我不要喝. You eat something, you drink something, and you get some feeling from your tongue. You get a perception, and the feeling is positive. You use 好，好喝，好吃. If you eat and you drink, you get negative feeling. 难吃，难喝. 看 you get some feeling via your eyes. If you get positive feeling, 好看. Negative feeling via your eyes, 难看. 这件衣服的颜色很好看，我很喜欢。喜欢 positive feeling. So give you a positive feeling via your eyes. 好看. If you don't like, use 难. 难看. 听 you get some feeling via your ears. If the feeling is positive, 好听. Get negative feeling, 难听. 你唱歌唱得很好听，现在唱一首好吗？ Here, do you remember the combine verb and complement? Verb and complement. You sing very well. What you sing? Let me get positive feeling. 好听. Now repeat after me. 这家餐厅的牛肉面很好吃，我常吃。这杯茶 有点难喝，我不要喝。In Taiwan, we always omit a sound. 这件衣服的颜色很好看，我很喜欢。你唱歌唱得很好听，现在唱一首好吗？ If we position 好 难 before action verbs, it means you do the action in an easy way or difficult way. You do the action easily or difficultly. For example, 好唱 唱 sing a song. It means to you, the song is easy for you to sing. You use 好唱. If to sing the song is difficult to you, 难唱. You can't easily to sing the song perfectly. 难唱. 这首中文歌很好唱，我朋友都会唱。It's an easy song, so 好唱。学 learn something. If the thing to you is easy for you to learn, 好学。If you think it's difficult for you to learn, 难学。弟弟不喜欢说英文，他觉得英文很难学。Difficult to learn for 弟弟。Degree adverb before 难学。找 find, seek. If it is easy for you to find something, 好找. Difficult for you to find something, 难找。这里附近只有一家百货公司，很好找。Easy to find. 骑 ride. We use ride for bicycle, motorcycle, horse, etc. If the bicycle, the motorcycle is easy for you to ride, 好骑. For you to ride, it's difficult, 难骑. 这辆脚踏车太小了，很难骑。Too small for me to ride this bicycle. Is difficult. It's hard for me to ride. 难骑。太 steady verb 了 to emphasize the degree. Now repeat after me. 这首中文歌很好唱，我朋友都会唱。弟弟不喜欢说英文，他觉得英文很难学。这里附近只有一家百货公司，很好找。 这辆脚踏车太小了，很难骑。If how and nan to be adverbial prefixes. 好 positive concept, non-negative concept. See you. Bye.